Fanta, are you scared to go downstairs? Yeah. I'll try to. Okay. I will show you. This is you go down. See, it's easy. Can you do that? Oh no, we have to take you to the doctor. Doctor, my doggy hurt his leg. Can you check him? Okay, let me check him. Okay, let me check your heartbeat. Nothing inside there. Nothing inside there. Good. Now let's check your legs. Ow, ow, ow. Maybe it's this, or this. Maybe this one, I think. Did this leg hurts? I think you need this. There we go. Now you can go in home and play. Arf, arf, take you back, my stuffy. You're welcome. Yeah, we're home now. You wanna eat first? Okay, here's your food. Wow, you're a good boy. You wanna drink some water? Okay. There's some water. I'm so proud of you. Let's press you. It is soft. It's super soft. I think he wants milk. You drink all the whole milk? Yep. Okay, Fendo. Let's say bye now. Bye. Thank you for watching. Ruff, ruff. Bye. Thank you for watching.